Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, it looks like she's making some type of lamp or something here. Wow, what a cool yet simple design. That is really nice. I like the vibe of her entire space, just beautiful. Alright, so the next DIY is going to feature some wooden pieces. She's got some wooden hoops here, some sticks, gluing them together. I'm going to guess that she's making, I was going to say a lantern, but now I'm thinking maybe some type of vase. I think it could double as both though, honestly. Look at the shape of it. Oh, wow, it's a pendant light. Oh, that is so cool. Wow, amazing. Very nicely done. Alright, so the next DIY is going to feature some cardboard here. I love seeing DIYs with cardboard because I feel like I can actually do them. So they're simply doing a design on the cardboard. Look at that texture they created, and then they went in with paint. Now, this is an easy one. Oh, I might actually be able to do this one. That's pretty cool. Wow, and they put it on paper towel holder. I'm not for sure that that's 100% what that is, but it definitely looks like that's what it is. That is a really cool design. Very nice. Can't believe that's cardboard. That is crazy. And so here's another cardboard DIY for you. Let's see what they end up doing with this one. Alright, so we got some feathers. Oh, they're probably making a mirror, I bet. Lots of little feathers. Alright, so obviously this isn't a mirror because why would they be putting something on the middle? Oh, it's just some wall decor. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. So pretty. And the way she did the feathers, they actually look like real feathers too. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I think we have someone making some tassels here. Now, I was thinking, okay, she's definitely making a mirror design, but you know what? She could be making a chandelier. Or a lampshade. Yeah, I think she's making a chandelier. Or a really big skirt, like a hula hoop skirt. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. So she's putting the wooden beads on there. Wow, that is just beautiful. Very nicely done. And then we have some more, there's a lot of bohemian style decor in this video. I just thought about that. So we have some more decorative pieces here. Oh, I like her rings. Those are really pretty. Those look amazing, honestly. She did such a good job. It looks like something that you'd go and spend like 60, 70 bucks at from Home Goods. All right, so we have some more wooden hoops here. Some type of gold chain. Oh, is she making a chandelier too? We need lots of yarn for these, so I know. And I said the gold chain, so that has to be what's gonna happen. Yeah, so they did 3 layers for theirs. Very nice. They did kind of like a simple design versus that other one. That other one was like really just, they had the beads and stuff. It looked really professional. So here we have another DIY featuring some wooden pieces. So they have the hoops, some beads, some popsicle sticks, cardboard, oh, look at that handle. That's pretty. Beautiful candle holder. Gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video and you enjoyed my reactions to all these projects. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.